Hello everyone, I am Rupinder Kaur. Today in this video we will learn factors while you considering a plan for kitchen layout. First is organization of cooking area, second layout of equipment, size of the kitchen, location of the kitchen, floor plan, types of service and types of business. Working area. The activity center of the kitchen is arranged around the following: sink, stove, refrigerator. Relationship between the sequence and the activity center. Workplace, sink, workplace and refrigerator. It means you should have some workplace area to do some work, preparation, cutting, chopping of the vegetables, then sink for the wash, and the workplace where you dry the ingredients, dry the raw materials, and then workplace where we can set a range, ovens, etc., and then refrigerator. Next is mixing and preparation center, washing and cleanup center, cooking and serving centers. Mixing and preparation center. Near the fridge, near the sink, its own sink separate from the main cleanup sinks, near trash and compost containers. The mixing and preparation center should have to near the fridge, sink, trash components container, need counter space, knife storage, cutting boards, measuring and mixing utensils, small appliances such as the food processor, blender, casseroles, baking dishes, flavoring, cookbooks, storage and grater. Cleanup center. Main sink. Number 2, dishwasher, garbage disposable and trash, storage for cleaning material, dish towels, paper towel, garbage bag, food storage container and material, colanders and strainers, possibly everyday dishes, flatware, possible saucepans. These are the some basic utensils you should have to keep in the near cleanup area. Cooking and serving center. Main item in this area is the stove or gas range. Stove, especially gas, should not place near the draught. Cupboard and drawer in this area should contain equipment relation to the cooking and service. It means near the cupboard of the gas range you should have to store these equipments, these cooking utensils. With this help the cooked dish is prepared, or after preparation then we serve the bowls. Cooking and service equipments. In the last, equipment related to cooking such as a pot, pan, casserole, dishes, etc. And equipment related to the serving include chinaware, glassware, serving dishes, cutlery. These are the service equipments. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel RPIIT Academy.